Amazon's S3 platform has become the gold standard for cheap, scalable data storage, but the product itself hides its versioning features, and overall, the experience feels very decontextualized and static. What if S3 felt more like a living, breathing, contextual repo with change history and helpful visualizations? This is what XetHub feels like. The fastest way to experience XetHub is by using our S3 Sync feature. Start by pasting the S3 URL for our public NOAA dataset. Thankfully, this means we won't need access or secret keys. Next, choose the sync frequency, give the repo a name, and write a short description as well. We've already set this up to sync for the last few days, so we'll switch to that version of the repo instead. Because our repos use Git for change management under the hood, every sync job results in a commit of changes that we can use for time travel. We're also given some basic information on the files in this repo. We can dig deeper to get file level context by clicking a CSV file and browsing the auto-generated summary statistics. We can also browse some of the rows and columns in the rendered view of the spreadsheet here. We hope you give this experience a try. Click the link in the description box to learn more.